Welcome back to another video in my closed stitch series. Today we'll be looking at a pattern called ledges. For my swatch, I'm going to be chaining 17. For row 1, we're going to skip 3 chains. That counts as our first double crochet, and make a double crochet into the back loop of the 4th chain. So as you can see, rather than going into the front, we're going into that back bump of our chain, and we're going to continue to make double crochets all the way until the end of the row. And that's the end of row 1. Let's get ready for row 2. For row 2, chain 2 and turn your work. This chain 2 counts as your first half double crochet. So into the second stitch, we're going to make a half double crochet. So just in case you're not sure, half double crochet, we yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And you're going to continue to do that until the end of the row. Make sure your final half double crochet goes into the top of the chain 4 from the row below. And that's the end of row 2. For row 3, chain 3, which counts as your first double crochet, and turn your work. And now we're going to be working back loop only double crochets across. Starting from that second stitch, make a double crochet but only going into the back loop. And continue to follow this back loop only double crochet until the end of the row. For your last double crochet, just make a normal double crochet through that chain from the row below. And that's the end of row 3. To continue this pattern, repeat rows 2 and 3. I'll meet you after I've done a few more rows. Here's what my pattern looks like after 7 rows. The ledges give a beautiful texture. I hope you enjoyed this pattern. Make sure to like and subscribe for more crochet stitch videos. I'll see you in the next one.